Here are the peonies coming up, looking good. We've got white on the end, hot pink, white, hot pink, white. Peppermint has been spreading. I just cleaned it up some today. Likes to spread everywhere. We have got some sage. Sage is looking really good. More peppermint, a little bit of lavender, sage, and we've got some asparagus coming up from last year. Some oregano, more oregano, a little bit of sage. And here is the lavender that got eaten off during winter, and I was pretty freaked out because it got eaten off to the ground. But it is coming back. This one back here, it was a nice big bush, completely eaten off. But it is coming back. I think it's gonna make it. And here's the peppermint I separated.